Welcome YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be the last attempt of these particular blind bags. After this I'll probably give up on them for now, and then I will see if I can find other types of blind bags. Let's see if I can actually at least finish off, well, some of the sets. I got 4 of these just in case. Hopefully one of these is the orange llama, and got it. I've now officially finished off the One Love Pets. So that's cool. Let's just see which ones I would have gotten otherwise. Another one. Another one. Told you, once I get the one that I need, I get a lot of them. And a 4th one. So I definitely finished off the Love Pets. Alright. The only one I need left is the dinosaur. So let's see what I got. I got the car. Oh. Yet another car. Oh well. Can't win them all. Got 2 more of these. I need the llama and the pineapple left. This is the teddy bear. And the teddy bear. I am just great at getting the one I don't need, huh? Alrighty. And I picked up 2 more puppies. I don't need that many left. Let's see. And do I have this one already? Nope. It's one of the ones I don't have. It is Cindy. The only 2 I need left is Valentino and Moose. So we got yet another one that's I haven't gotten yet. And I got Moose. So Cindy is a Pekingese, and a Moose is a Sheltie mix. So at least it's a step in the right direction. I got some more of it finished. The only one left of this one that I don't have is Valentino. I still need the pineapple and the llama for this set, and the dino for that set. But, you know, for now, I'm going to hold off on these because I think I've got plenty of these in my house. And, well, I need to find some other blind bags for now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. Peace out, like and subscribe, YouTube.